Guys, today we'll be covering Practice It, Exercise 8.10, clearStock. The problem reads, add the following mutator method to the stock class from textbook section 8.5. And it's going to say public void clear. So that's our method. And this is supposed to reset the stock numbers of shares purchased and the total cost to 0. So this is pretty simple. So we'll first add the method. So public void clear, and we'll add the curly braces. And in between, we just need to reset everything to 0. So if you look back at the 8.5 section, there's the total shares part and total cost. So we just need to say total shares equals 0 and total cost is equal to 0.0, since that one was a double value. And that's pretty much it for the problem. Let's submit that. Yeah, so everything was passed correctly, and we did do the problem correctly. Okay, so that's all for Practice It, Exercise 8.10, clearStock, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.